Citation, we are a leading provider of health and safety and employment law compliance for small to medium-sized businesses. So really everything from a compliance standpoint, so documentation, support, guidance. We work with our clients quite closely to make sure they can focus on what they do best, basically, which is running their business, whilst we take care of the more boring stuff. So we wanted to introduce speech analytics into our business as a way to be able to be more effective and efficient when we were coaching and upskilling our salespeople. Previously, we relied quite heavily on sort of dip checking calls, so whereas we might have thousands of calls in a day, we only have so many hours that we can actually physically listen to them. CallMiner presented a great opportunity for us to listen to all our data in one go and provide really good insights. For anyone that was looking to purchase CallMiner, I suppose the biggest thing I'd say is go for it. There's nothing out there in the moment that's going to give you such quick and sharp insights as to where you can improve your business. There's these sort of really quite interesting and intelligent ways it works to provide some really quick solutions really to any problems you might be facing.